If you're struggling to send weekly tips without running out of ideas, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in a way that's simple, fast, and repeatable. And if you stick around till the end, I'll give you my top trick that guarantees you never run dry on content, plus access to an exclusive free trial of the software I use, only available for viewers of my channel. So let's dive right in. The biggest mistake people make when trying to send weekly tips is creating content from scratch every single time. That's unsustainable. What works better is building a system. We're going to do that right now, and I'll show you how. First, pick a core theme, something you're known for or want to be known for. Let's say it's productivity. Break that down into 4 to 6 recurring subtopics like time blocking, tools, mindset, habits, and deep work. That right there gives you an instant content calendar you can cycle through every month. Now open up the software we'll be using. There's a link to the free trial in the description. What I love about this tool is how fast it is. You don't have to spend hours planning. It has a built-in AI idea generator. All you need to do is input your subtopic, let's say time blocking. And the tool will give you 10 plus weekly tip ideas instantly. Pick one, tweak it slightly to match your tone, and you're good to go. Then save those tips into a reusable sequence. Our software lets you drag and drop them into a queue that sends one every 7 days. Once you've got 6 to 8 weeks planned out, you'll be ahead of schedule. And that's when the magic happens. Because now, instead of reacting every week, you're in control. You just review, refine, and let the system do the heavy lifting. Still worried about running out of ideas? Here's a bonus move. Every time someone replies to your emails with a question, treat it as a future weekly tip. That way, your audience feeds the machine for you. Even better, use the AI inside the software to turn that question into multiple formats: text tip, short paragraph, quote, or list. And here's the part most people miss. Repetition is your friend. Don't be afraid to revisit the same topics every few months. Just reframe them. For example, a tip on batching tasks can be shared again as how to stay in flow state longer. Same concept, new angle. You stay fresh without starting from zero. So here's the key takeaway. Sending weekly tips without running out of ideas isn't about being endlessly creative. It's about using systems, themes, and smart software to scale your thinking. Don't create from scratch. Curate and repurpose with intention. To recap, pick a theme and break it into recurring subtopics. Use our software's idea generator to build a queue. Turn audience replies into future content. Reframe and repeat proven ideas every few months. If you follow this process, you'll never stress about what to send next week again. And don't forget, if you want to follow along and set this up for yourself, I've left a link in the description for an exclusive free trial. It's only available through my channel, and it'll save you hours of guesswork. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.